Welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm gonna prepare is some baked chicken. So here I have some leg meat. Some country they call it leg and thigh. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with some all-purpose season. This all-purpose season is my own brand, Linden all-purpose season. Gonna put a bit of black pepper. I'll be a bit generous with this. Gonna put a bit of salt. Gonna chop a piece this garlic, ginger, some fresh ginger over it. Some onion. Just put everything over it. Fresh thyme. Gonna add a bit of oil to it just for the meat to get the season in. Gonna put a bit of browning over it. Don't need much. Gonna add a bit of chili powder. Then I'm gonna mix it in. After that, here I have my roasting tray. I'll pull them down. Then put this over it. This is what it looked like. And now I'm going to put it in the oven. The oven is about on 180 degrees. So I'll put it in the oven and give it about 45 minutes. Then I'll check it. You know, everyone have different ovens, so depends on the oven you have. But if you have a probe, you can probe it after 40 minutes or 35 minutes to see if it's reached 70 degrees. Also, I have my jerk rub. This is a dry rub, and here curry powders, and also hot sauce. Can use it for anything, and also the jerk sauce, and here the famous world record jerk marinade. Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. I'm gonna put it in the oven, and thanks for watching. Baked chicken is ready. Just coming out of the oven. Take about 40 minutes to cook through properly. This you can have it with mashed potato, roast potato, sauteed potato, scallop potato. You can have it with rice and peas, rice pilaf, whatever you choose. So you can have it with salad. And there you have it, folks. Doesn't get better than this. Very tasty. very easy to make. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching my channel. Peace be.